All right, kids, bam, here we go. The pop test of Icarus for my brother Timber John. We built this bird, 2-3 days ago. This is a 6S bird, okay? So I am only testing it on a little 854S that's actually my buddy Shiloh's. He sent it to me to fix, and it doesn't really need any fixing. So it's really windy out here right now. You can't tell, but I'm not taking this thing too far, and it doesn't look like we're going to get a hell of a lot of nice weather next couple days. So I want to pop test this baby and see how she flies. So fully charged 4S ADC, tiny, doesn't weigh anything. So let's see what we got. Very windy. Hopefully I don't lose this brand new bird. That has never happened. Believe it or not, I've destroyed them. All right. Beautiful. Look at it. I'm not used to these props either. I usually use the props I always use. So beeper. Okay, that's all working. Let's see what happens, kids. Oh, nice. Woo, it's windy. Oh, Icarus. I'm gonna let it just hover. Watch the wind push it. Wow, that's nasty. It is way too windy for this. Way too windy. Wow, that was scary. All right, look at that. Bam, love it. I'm not gonna goose it too much. It's fast, kids, but it is super windy out here, so I don't want to lose my brother's bird. So there she is, Icarus. Very nice. Bam.
Bam, JJ. Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ. Hey, JJ. Hope you like fishing.